What's up, everybody? Out for a little adventure today. Had some plans going. They didn't work out, so I thought an impromptu trip to the Hoosier National Forest was in order to try out some new gear. Love my gazelle. Got some hammock gear I'm going to try out for the first time. Never hammock camped before, so wish me luck on that. But out here, middle of nowhere, out in the Hoosier National, of course, and thought I'd show you around the campsite I stumbled across. As always, typical Hoosier National Forest dispersed camping spot. Free as could be. Got some trails that don't look like they're marked, so this is a good place to camp. We've already got a fire pit set up behind us. And since it seems to be the Indiana trend here lately, looking at you, THD, that hiking guy, has been having some really great adventures going out and hitting some of these little deserted ponds in the middle of the Deem. So I don't hike, I drive. So I found my own little pond out here in the Hoosier National. So we may even throw a fishing line in there later and see if anything's biting. But right now I'm going to get unpacked, try and set this hammock up. May film a little of that so you all have a good laugh, and make myself at home. So here's the new setup. The Covacure Hammock. Got a Onetigris Underquilt. Redcamp tarp. Guy lines, all that happy stuff. We're going to try and set it up. See how that comes out. Got it all in a nice dry bag because this is going to be my kayak camping setup for this summer. Got some trips planned out to the peninsula on Lake Monroe. Possibly a undisclosed little deserted island a few places, and some adventures coming up. So we're gonna get this set up. Not gonna film it. I'll film it next time when I actually may somewhat look like what I know what I'm doing. Can't even talk today. Step one's a success. Show you what I got set up here. The fancy knot there that escapes my name at the moment starts with the P. Hold my ridgeline up, carabiner looped over here, Redcamp tarp, same thing over here, and a Camjam, 550 cord, nice tight ridgeline. Supposed to rain tonight, so we're going to find out if it works. If it doesn't, the gazelle's in the truck. Well, there it is all set up, and so far, didn't die. We're going to see how the night goes. Probably don't need the underquilt. It's like 80 out, but it's supposed to rain tonight, so fair is a good way to break it in. So get a little drizzle tonight. See how the rainfly does. Gonna do a little more work to it and see if we can't get a fire going, get some dinner going here soon, and just kick back and relax this time, and get a fishing pole in this pond back here. Something else here I'll be trying out for the first time. The wife's been using it in her car for a couple months now and had really good luck with it. Is this little 12-volt Alpacool fridge. As you can see, it's running at 11.8 volts at 37 degrees off my power pack. In there I've got running the solar generator I've got, so seems to be doing good. We're going to see how long I'm going to run it. I ran it on the car battery, just a cigarette lighter plug all the way here. Battery's not the greatest in this old caddy, and electrical's got enough issues. I didn't want to risk running it on it for now, so we're going to see how it does. Look for a full review of this to come here soon. It's been a nice little fridge. Alright, got the thermal cell going. 1,000 big flies flying around, but no mosquitoes. Fire's going and getting ready to start some dinner. Nothing extravagant tonight. Going to make some cheeseburgers. It's a hot, last minute trip, so going to keep the cooking easy. Got some pepper jack cheese, some farm raised beef, and some good buns, and going to have that. Got a simple breakfast plan, so I'm going to take it easy. Play around this pond a little bit. Doubt there's anything in it, but you never know. Try out the new hammock, relax, enjoy myself. It's crazy out here. The cicadas are quieter here than they are in my house. I seen more of them coming through Bloomington than I think I've seen anywhere at where I live. Dinner started. So we're going to do some more of this grass-fed beef patties, quarter pounders, some instant loaded mashed potatoes, and maybe some baked beans if I feel like it. We'll see how cooking goes and how hungry I am as it's going. So going to get this started, and got the fire going. Smoke's knocked the bugs down a little bit. Played with the hammock some more. Flipped my tarp over, had it upside down, so got that fixed. Shiny side out now. So gonna make some dinner, eat some food. I had to at least try. Alright, I got me a regular gourmet redneck dinner here. Couple cheeseburgers, baked beans cooked right in the can, a little bit of mashed potatoes. So I'm going to sit here and eat this, enjoy this fire, listen to frogs croak and cicadas scream, and clean up my dinner mess, and kick back and relax some. Appreciate you coming along on this adventure. We got a lot more in the works, a lot more planned. Hadn't been able to get out and camp for a couple weeks, so I was going through withdrawals. It's good to be back out again. Got some kayak trips planned, some fishing videos in the works, a couple new reviews. So if you like that kind of stuff, hit that like and subscribe button if you would. I appreciate it. We're up to, I think, 217 subscribers at the time of filming this, so channel's slowly growing. I appreciate everybody that's been following along, and there's the smoke. Always follows you. So far, so good. I haven't died. The straps didn't break. I'm not stuck, I don't think. Mosquito net looks like it's going to do what it's supposed to. Tarp looks like it's covering me all the way up. May need to bring it down a little bit, but we're going to give this a shot tonight. Still fairly early, but I figured I would see how comfy it is before I get all ready for night, ready for bed, and try and do all this stuff in the dark. So far I'm kind of liking it. Again, this is a Covacure. It's like a $26 Amazon hammock. It is a Redcamp tarp. It comes with a mosquito net. I've got a Onetigris 40-degree underquilt under me, which I really don't need because it's probably going to be hot, but figured I might as well try it out too. And stolen from my brother-in-law a whoopee poncho liner. So gonna be a pretty good night. Got my little tent light strung up way too high. I think I'm gonna put it on the hammock ridgeline here, and see if I survive the night or not. So far, so good. I'm just gonna kick back a little bit. Got my shorts on. Gonna change out my thermocell and sit around the fire and listen to the frogs croak. I know I say it a lot, but I love it out here. Can't hardly beat free camping. You definitely spend a fortune on gas and food and stuff you need, but once you got it, you got it. And got to eat at home anyway, so might as well come out here, use a little bit of gas money, and enjoy yourself. It's just a little warm, but a beautiful night. Thermocell's keeping the mosquitoes away. Fire's chugging away in front of me. Cicadas in the background, frogs croaking over by the pond, and just can't beat this. Give me a campground or spot in the woods and a fishing pole in my hand from time to time. I'm a happy person. Only thing, I wish beautiful wife could have joined me tonight. We got to get out and make some videos together soon. Gonna see how this hammock thing goes tonight. I'm either gonna wake up really sore or on the ground or have a good night's sleep. That will tell. Definitely not gonna give it up after one night and give it a shot and see how it does. So far, seems pretty comfortable. This is the first time I've actually had it all the way set up, so wish me luck. Gonna sit back, do what I always do, relax, listen to the fire crackle, watch the sun go down, and crawl into bed here in a bit. So far so good. Seem to be staying dry. I was hoping to get a little rain to see how the tarp system did, so this is what I woke up to. Had a good night's sleep. Hammock's pretty comfortable. Not too bad at all. Well, good morning everybody. We survived our first night in the hammock. I actually slept pretty good once I got it adjusted a little better. Didn't have my hang quite right, but once I got that going, slept like a baby. Woke up, as you can probably hear, to some little bit of thunderstorm and some pouring rain. It slowed down now. Stretched the tarp out a little bit. One of the advantages I'm liking here. Grab my chair. I've got my little outdoor rug I bought on clearance for like $5 underneath me. Keep my feet dry. And gonna have some breakfast. Gonna keep it super simple today. Brought me a gallon of milk, some Raisin Bran, and a breakfast bar. So gonna eat that, relax a little bit more, sit here and enjoy this rainfall. I guess I have to give one advantage to the hammock. As I woke up and my entire campsite was like a swamp. There was probably an inch of water everywhere, so kind of nice to be up off the ground. Got my crazy hair going today. Got wet, already got the hammock folded up and everything, and in a stuff sack and in the wet bag, so I'm just gonna eat, enjoy, having a great time so far. Well, it's wet out there, but as always, leave no trace. Can't tell I was here. Everything's been picked up. Fire pit's been cleaned out. A little muddy, but in the truck getting ready to head home. Have me some lunch. Try and get all this gear dried out. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for joining us.